Implement Supreme Court ruling within shortest possible time. Tinubu tells Rivers State Governor Fubara amidst rifts with Wike. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this channel that we have here this morning. Well, President Bola Tinubu is telling Governor Fubara, telling him to implement the Supreme Court ruling within the shortest time possible amidst the rifts with Wike. Yeah, this is not something we hear every day. Well, under here in summary, we have it that President Bola Tinubu has urged Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State to promptly implement recent Supreme Court judgment addressing the state political crisis. This appeal was made during a meeting with leaders of the Pan Niger Delta Forum (PANDEF) at the presidential villa in Abuja, where Tinubu emphasized the importance of adhering to the rule of law. The Supreme Court decision includes the reinstatement of 27 state lawmakers and the nullification of local government elections held on October 5, 2024, due to significant violation of the Electoral Act. Additionally, the court directed federal financial institutions such as the Central Bank of Nigeria and the Accountant General of the Federation to withhold funds from the Rivers State government until a lawful appropriation law is enacted under the leadership of Speaker Martin Amaewhule. Governor Fubara has expressed his administration's commitment to enforcing the Supreme Court verdicts. In a televised address, he acknowledged the rulings and said that upon receiving the certificate true copy of the judgment, his government would fully comply, despite reservation. Furthermore, he directed the heads of local government administration to assume control of local government affairs until new elections are conducted. The political tensions in Rivers State stems from a rift between Governor Fubara and Nelson Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and Fubara's predecessor. This discord had led to divisions within the state legislators. President Tinubu's intervention aims to ensure that the state's governance align with constitutional provisions and that the people of Rivers State are protected. Well, that was all that was in summary concerning this headline today this morning, which says that implement the Supreme Court ruling within the shortest possible time, as Tinubu tells Fubara amidst the rift with Wike. Well, Fubara, let's say the fact. Let's be frankly speaking here. Tinubu is smart for saying this. Yeah, I don't like Tinubu. I'm not a Tinubu fan, but for him coming into the issues of Rivers State and saying something like this let's just say Tinubu is smart. But before we praise him any further, let's also know that people have been begging Tinubu, put mouth inside this Rivers State matter, put mouth inside this Rivers State matter, like come and separate this Rivers State matter between Fubara and Wike, because the issue of Fubara and Wike is destroying Rivers State politics. The issue of Fubara and Wike is destroying Rivers State politics. It has divided the House of Assembly into two. A group here is loyal to Wike, a group here is loyal to Fubara. Yes, it is not making any progress. It is not making Rivers State to have any progress at all. The issue of Wike and Fubara is destroying Rivers State politics. Is destroying Rivers State as a whole. Well, it's a good thing that President Bola Tinubu has come in and tried to, you understand, talk out a way. Let's just talk so that we can gain peace. You understand? That is how Tinubu is coming into this matter now. And Tinubu has urged Fubara to implement the recent Supreme Court judgment addressing the state political crisis. Even when Fubara wanted to, you understand, bring the 2025 budget, the legislators did not allow Fubara. They did not allow him inside the complex. They said that he did not bring the budget to them so that they can screen it. He just want to present it. And it's not right. It's not done that way. Fubara also said that these same legislators did not inform him that he was supposed to bring the budget to them. You understand what I'm trying to say? He said that these same legislators did not inform him that he was supposed to bring the budget to them for screening. They did not inform him. He got the news on social media when it was already too late. And now the legislators are now making it as news that CEO Fubara did not bring the budget to, and he wants to present 2025 budget for Rivers State. Yes. And that was why Tinubu urged Fubara to implement the recent Supreme Court judgment addressing the issues of Rivers State. The Supreme Court said that they should just present the budget like that. Fubara should just go and give the budget to the legislators and let them do their review and let them go on. Let things move on in Rivers State. Yes. And not also that too. That's not also what the Supreme Court said. Though. That's not also what the Supreme Court said. The Supreme Court also said that they should reinstate the 27 state lawmakers. They should reinstate the 27 state lawmakers that Fubara removed. The reason, I mean, this is the problem this is the only thing that I see that Fubara has done wrong. Yeah, to me. Because I don't know the reason why Fubara feels that he can just remove these 27 lawmakers, or I don't know why he did it. I mean, investigative journalists have tried to dig in and ask now, okay, why did you remove these 27 lawmakers and only running your government to only four lawmakers? Fubara have not give a solid answer to that. So the Supreme Court have ordered Fubara to reinstate the 27 lawmakers back to their position. And yeah, they've ordered Fubara to also nullify the local government election that was held back in October 5th, 2024 due to significant violation of Electoral Act. Even the thing gone have shocked Fubara, say all the local government chairman that they elected that is loyal to him. Supreme Court have nullified their election. They say that no, this election will not stand due to election malpractice and all this, you understand, shenanigans that happened back in the election time. At this point in time, Fubara is the number one most talked about topic in Nigerian political news. Like seriously, everybody just seeing what is happening in Rivers State, and everybody is so sad about it. That who knows that who can even predict that Fubara and Wike fight will escalate like this? I mean, if you know Fubara and Wike, you know that these people are very, very close. Back when Wike was governor of Rivers State, you know that these people are very, very close. So who would think that their fights or their argument will escalate like this? Well, Tinubu have urged Fubara to obey the Supreme Court, and Fubara, of course, have to obey the Supreme Court because nobody disobeys the Supreme Court. You have to you have to obey the Supreme Court, and in order for Rivers State to just move on. Yes, because Wike will not allow you to just get away with it. Wike will not allow you to get away with it. But what do you guys think? I mean, drop your own comments in the comment section concerning it, because I mean, we all need to talk about this. So drop your own comment in the comment section. I mean, what do you even think concerning what will happen to Fubara? Because Fubara is on the brink, of getting impeached. Drop your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Then tap the subscribe button, yes, bigger with the notification bell, so that anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.